Good afternoon, students. Today we are discussing a new chapter, magnetism. Definition of magnetism: it is the force exerted of magnets when they attract or repel each other. A magnet always has the property of attracting or repelling. That means there are two poles in a magnet. Like poles repel and unlike poles attract. Properties of a magnet. Next topic is properties of a magnet. First one, when a magnet is dipped in iron fillings, we can observe that iron fillings cling to the end of the magnet. Because iron is such a metal iron is such a metal or element, it has the affinity to attract the magnet. It always attracts magnet. Next point, magnetic poles always exist in pairs. If we take a magnet and cut into pieces, suppose we take a bar magnet and cut into several pieces, you always found two poles together. That means poles always occur in pairs. South pole and north pole. There are two poles in a magnet, south poles and north pole. But these two poles always occur in pair. Next point. Like poles repel, unlike poles attract. Another point is the magnetic force between the two magnets is greater than when the distance between these two magnets is lesser. That means the magnetic force is greater when the magnet is situated or kept closer, and if it is kept wide apart, then magnetic force is lesser, and if it kept further wide apart, then magnetic force or magnetic attraction will be lesser. Now I am discussing the different types of magnet. First one is permanent magnet, second is temporary magnet, and the third one is electromagnet. Permanent magnet. Permanent magnet are those magnets that are commonly used. They do not lose their magnetic power. Permanent magnets are always used. They do not lose their magnetic power. If they are beaten or hammered, they do not lose their magnetic power. Second one is temporary magnet. Temporary magnet are those which lose their magnetism if the source is removed. Number 3, electromagnet. It consists of a coil of wire wrapped up around the metal core made from iron. When this material is exposed to electric current, magnetism is produced.